Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to enable secure connections in Opera GX. This simple security feature ensures your browsing experience is safer by prioritizing HTTPS connections. Let's dive right in. First, launch your Opera GX browser. Look at the top left corner of your browser window and click on the Opera logo. This will open the main menu. From there, click on Settings near the bottom of the drop-down menu. Once in Settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left with various categories till you find the Privacy and Security section and click on it. In the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you locate the Security. Opera GX typically has an option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. Simply click the toggle switch next to this option to enable it. Then Enable warns you for insecure public and private sites. Enabling secure connections means Opera GX will always try to use HTTPS instead of HTTP when available. HTTPS encrypts your data during transfer, protecting your information from potential eavesdroppers and making your browsing more secure. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled secure connections in Opera GX. This simple change significantly improves your online security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.